Hello, Jane Cleland here. How can I find local resources, writing groups, critique groups specific to my geographic area? Go to the library. Libraries often host writers groups, book clubs. Ask the reference librarian if they have any suggestions. There may well be a community bulletin board there announcing such things. I would also go to independent bookstores, and some chain bookstores do this as well, but independent bookstores certainly are plugged in to writers groups and critique groups. I might take a look at your local Nextdoor. Nextdoor is the name of a zip code specific social media collection of people who offer resource information and suggestions about local vendors and the like within a certain geographic area. And I would post a question about that. I think you're going to be very pleased and you'll get lots of good suggestions. And I think it's wonderful that you want to tap into them. Best of luck with it. If this tip had value for you, would you like it, share it, comment on it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that help us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thanks so much.